Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you need an effective and natural hair treatment to boost hair growth, then this is it. This Vaseline and Rosemary hair treatment has been an incredible hair treatment that has transformed my daughter's hair, especially her hairline. This hair treatment have helped to improve her hair, nourish her scalp, and also strengthen her hair strands. So sit down, relax. I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step process of making this hair treatment. It's so easy to make, and all you need is your rosemary herb, Vaseline, and few other ingredients that I'm going to review later on in this video. Also, I'm going to share with you how to use this hair treatment effectively. So I grinded my rosemary herb, and here I have my Vaseline blue seal. Now any petroleum jelly will work just fine. I'm going in with 1/3 cup of my petroleum jelly, and then I'm going to add in the herb, that's the rosemary herb, and go ahead to melt it using a double boiling method. You can also melt it by just sitting it in hot water. Now the next ingredient I'm going to be adding is optional, which is my hibiscus flower. I'm using dried hibiscus. I actually love using hibiscus powder, but I ran out of it, and this is what I have. So if you have hibiscus, use it, otherwise it is optional. Now while it is melting, let me take a minute to welcome you, especially if you're new here. My name is Goodness, and here it's all about natural hair and natural beauty remedies like this one I'm sharing with you. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like this video, so the algorithm will actually notify other people who may be interested, and also to encourage me on this space so that I will know I'm doing something good. Now it is fully melted. I will go ahead to add the rest of the ingredients, starting with my hemp seed oil. This hemp seed oil is amazing for natural hair growth. It is lightweight, nourishes both the scalp and hair, and so you can use it. And if you do not have it, just go with other carrier oils of your choice. I am also going in with my castor oil. This is amazing. If you're looking to grow your hair, then add this castor oil. It's very nourishing to the hair, and you don't have to use this brand that I use. Any castor oil would work just fine. Castor oil helps with retaining moisture, and so it is great for hair growth. I am also going in with my essential oil. Here I have my peppermint essential oil. This is very great, has a nice sensation to the scalp, like it will help to calm irritated scalp, help to calm itchy scalp. It is just great for the scalp. I am also going in with my rosemary essential oil. Rosemary essential oil is a natural minoxidil. It helps to boost hair growth, very great for natural hair, and so it is needed. I'm just adding few drops, about 8 drops of my rosemary essential oil, and you can do the same 8 drops for peppermint essential oil. Next is vitamin E oil. Here I'm using 1 to 2 drops of vitamin E oil, and I'm using the tocopherol, which is a thicker version of vitamin E. If you're using the capsule, just use about 2 capsules and it will just be fine. Combine all the ingredients thoroughly. Take your time to combine it fully well, and then transfer into a clean, dry jar. Just make sure the jar is clean enough and dry to avoid your grease or your hair treatment getting mold. And voila, your hair treatment is ready. Now this is very potent. It will help to promote hair growth, especially when you use it the right way. Vaseline or petroleum jelly is a great hair lubricant, is a great hair conditioner. When you apply it to your scalp, it will lubricate your scalp, help to get rid of flaky scalp, dandruff. It will help to nourish your scalp. It will help to remove every dryness around the scalp. Also, rosemary herb helps with blood circulation around the scalp. It will help to stimulate your hair follicles, prevent hair loss, and this has been scientifically proven. Especially the rosemary essential oil has been scientifically proven to promote hair growth. It is known to be as effective as natural minoxidil. So this hair treatment is very potent, and this is the right way to use it. First, start by hydrating your hair. Mist your hair with water. This will help to soften your hair and prepare it to absorb the hair treatment you're going to apply on it. So I started here on my daughter's hair. This is actually an old twist. She's been carrying it for a while, so I do refresh it every 2 to 3 times in a week. And so I started by misting her hair with water, and then I'm going in with her leave-in conditioner. This is a water-based conditioner, so I'm going to nourish her hair with this conditioner. Make sure that her hair is well conditioned before I go ahead to use the hair grease treatment. Now, for the hair grease treatment, I like to use just little portion. You don't want your hair being too oily or too greasy. So I'm just going to start with little portion, and I'm going to concentrate at the tip of the hair, which is usually the older part of the hair. You want to make sure you lubricate the tip of the hair. This way the hair will be well lubricated. It will help to reduce friction, and when the hair is well lubricated, it will also help to retain length. Like, the hair will not be breaking anyhow. It won't be breaking easily, and this way it will retain length. Also, you want to lubricate your scalp with this hair grease. So I like to pay attention to her scalp, especially her hairline, which is where we are focusing on to regrow her hairline. So I'm focusing also on her hairline. You want to apply it to the scalp as well to keep dandruff and itchy scalp away. Healthy scalp is important for hair growth, and so nourishing your scalp with this hair treatment is a perfect way to encourage hair growth. The ingredients I added in this hair treatment are all natural, and they have very potent properties for the scalp. Like the peppermint essential oil is very potent in helping to nourish your scalp and also add a minty sensation to the scalp. Like, it has a way of cooling your scalp, especially irritated scalp. And also the rosemary essential oil helps to boost blood circulation around the scalp, which will encourage hair growth. The castor oil is a nice moisturizer or hair conditioner. It will help to lubricate your scalp and also help to retain moisture so your hair doesn't dry out faster. So this hair treatment is very potent in promoting hair growth. Just make sure you're using it the right way. Do not over grease your hair, and also just make sure that you hydrate your hair before you go ahead to apply the hair grease to also lock in moisture. So thank you so much for watching this video. I do hope you find it very helpful, and if you have not subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Also, share your opinion in the comment section and give this video a like to encourage me to make more videos like this one. So I hope to see you soon in the next one. Bye.